In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable host controls in Google Meet, whether you're preparing for an important business meeting or setting up an online class. Knowing how to manage your settings is crucial to ensuring everything runs smoothly and without interruption. So, let's dive right in. When you're a host in a Google Meet session, having control over the meeting's functionalities is essential. Fortunately, Google Meet provides a straightforward way to access these controls, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. First things first, make sure you're already in a Google Meet session and have the hosting rights, which are typically granted to the organizer of the meeting. Once inside your meeting, glance towards the bottom right portion of your screen. Here, you'll notice a small lock icon, which stands as the gateway to your host controls. Click on this lock icon and you'll be greeted with a menu that allows you to manage a wide array of settings. These settings empower you as the host to keep your meeting organized and free from potential disruptions. For example, you can manage who can share their screen, who can send chat messages, or even mute all participants. This ensures that the focus remains where it should be, on the content or discussion at hand. A useful tip to keep in mind is that these controls are not static. You can update them throughout the meeting, meaning if you initially allowed participants to share their screens, but later decide it's best to restrict that capability, you can easily modify your settings on the fly. This flexibility is part of what makes Google Meet such a versatile tool for virtual meetings. As you explore the host control options, you'll notice that each one has a tooltip that provides additional context about what the option does, making the learning curve quite gentle. If at any point you're uncertain about what a particular setting might entail, don't hesitate to hover over the icons for more information. Enacting specific host controls can significantly enhance the quality of your meeting. For instance, by restricting screen sharing and chat messages, you can minimize distractions, particularly in a classroom setting or during a focused presentation. On the other hand, enabling chat might be beneficial for collaborative brainstorming sessions, so feel free to adapt based on the unique needs of your meeting. Before concluding, a quick reminder. Keep in mind that while you can control what participants can do, the meeting's overall success depends not just on these settings, but also on how you engage participants and manage the flow of dialogue. To wrap up, toggling host controls in Google Meet is a breeze. Just click that lock icon at the bottom right and customize your meeting environment to fit your needs. With these tools at your fingertips, you're well prepared to host a smooth, productive, and distraction-free meeting. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.